Milk breaks into fine mist. Powder falls like soft snow. Particles separated from airflow. Powder fills large storage hopper.
Milk collects in giant tanks.
Milk cooled to safe temperature.
Milk heated to kill bacteria.
Milk held at set temperature.
Milk cooled again after heating.
Fat separated using spinning force. Cream flows to separate storage. Skim milk moves to next stage.
Milk composition adjusted precisely.
Milk inspected for purity. Sample taken for testing. Lab confirms milk quality.
Milk prepared for evaporation.
Water begins leaving milk. Milk thickens slowly. Steam rises from surface. Concentration increases.
Milk spreads into thin flowing film.
Water removed, milk gets thicker.
More water removed step by step.
Steam separated from liquid milk. Milk becomes dense and creamy.
Final moisture removed from milk.
Thick milk stored before drying.
Milk enters spray drying chamber. Milk breaks into fine mist. Hot air dries droplets instantly. Milk becomes fine powder mid-air. Powder falls like soft snow. Powder gathers at chamber bottom.
Air carries powder into separator.
Particles separated from airflow.
Collected powder flows downward. Powder moves to cooling stage.
Powder enters cooling tunnel. Cold air removes remaining heat. Powder fully cooled and stable.
Powder sorted by size. Fine powder collected below.
Powder moves toward packaging line. Powder moves toward packaging line. Powder moves toward packaging line. Powder fills large storage hopper.
Measure doses prepared automatically.
Powder filled into empty bags. Each bag checked for correct weight.
Bags sealed airtight for storage. Sealed bags move to final stage. Final inspection ensures perfect quality. Bags stacked neatly on pallets.
Pallet wrapped for safe transport. Pallet moved into storage warehouse. Pallet placed in organized storage. Inventory recorded for tracking.
Order prepared for delivery. Pallet retrieved for shipment.
Pallet moved to loading dock.
Pallet loaded into delivery truck.
Load secured for safe transport. Milk powder begins global journey. Pure milk transformed into lasting powder.